Let's make Mongolian tofu, a plant-based twist on the classic takeout favorite, Mongolian beef. First, press your tofu to remove excess moisture. Extra firm works best, but if you're using firm, give it at least 15 minutes under some weight. Make a simple marinade with soy sauce, hoisin sauce, brown sugar, sesame oil, and rice vinegar. Toss the tofu in and let it sit while we prep everything else. Now, let's cook up the tofu. Fry in hot oil until golden brown on all sides. This gives it that perfect bite. Remove and set aside. For a glossy, thick sauce, mix cornstarch and water into a slurry. Add it to the leftover marinade from the tofu along with some water. Set aside. In the same pan, sauté minced garlic, fresh ginger, and the whites of green onions. Let them get fragrant for about 30 seconds. Add the tofu back in and gently stir it. Pour in the leftover marinade with the cornstarch slurry and let it bubble until thick and glossy. Stir it until it becomes a rich, sticky sauce. Finish with sliced green onions and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Serve over rice or noodles and prepare to go for seconds. This Mongolian tofu is crispy, saucy, and absolutely packed with flavor. Give it a try and let me know what you think.